Yo, what's up guys? So today we're in Sekinchan. It's basically an agricultural town. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of paddy. It's really nice green. Now's the growing period. I think the harvesting stage would be around November. I have my small farmer's hat right here, and so today I thought it'd be very interesting if we compare film to digital. There's really nice greens, really rich greens and blue skies, and I thought today would be the perfect time to compare Kodak Ektar 100 and one of the best digital cameras out there, the 5D Mark IV. So yeah, let's go. Let's load this up. Okay, so we have Kodak Ektar. Very nice. When cameras are rolling, you always load the camera very badly. It's so much easier to see on the back of the screen already. I'm really hoping these turn out quite well because this is the first time I'm shooting Ektar 100. I've always never wanted to shoot it because it's so expensive. But this I thought would be a good chance to try it out. But I'm so scared I might screw it up. Let's get one shot in the middle of the road. Digital. So I've rated Kodak Ektar as 50. The reason why is I want to overexpose my film a little bit more, and I'm also using a 7 Artisans 35 f2, and I'm using on my 5D Mark IV a 35mm 1.4. I'm trying to keep the settings a little bit similar so that at least you can see the image quality, and I'm mostly, for the most part, going to try and keep both settings the same across the board, so hopefully that turns out quite well. F16. Nice. Oh, the one over there is quite yellow. Nice. This one's like not that great. So yeah, just a couple of thoughts before I end this video. Ektar 100 for me is kind of a hit and miss. I wouldn't say it's my favorite film. It's kind of expensive for what it is, and I would definitely prefer Portra 400 or Lomo 400 versus this film. To me, Ektar 100, the greens are a little bit of it's a little bit hard to control. Sometimes they're a little bit too blue, and at times when there's a little bit of yellow in the scene, in the greens, the colors really come out very nice. The grass is really vibrant, very yellow, saturated, really pops out in the scene. But at times it's really difficult to control. Another negative of this film is definitely the skin tones. The skin tones have this magenta look, which is really ugly, which is much easier for you to get nicer skin tones on digital. And speaking of digital, obviously it has this very clinical sharpness. It's the tonality across the board is almost very similar, unlike you look at film. There's a lot of whites and blacks, which is something that is not a negative, it's just the inherent characteristics of film and digital. They're two different kinds of mediums, and I think it really depends on the scene and the story and the reasoning behind certain things. But for me, if I were to choose which to shoot, I think I would definitely shoot film in this situation. I think being in the whole countryside village, shooting on film definitely invokes this sort of nostalgia that you can only get shooting film. Don't get me wrong, I think digital is great. I think if I was going there for work to shoot specific things, I would take digital. It's easier for me to control the tonality across the board. Digital is way more easier and it's a way more practical thing to do. There's nothing wrong with each of the mediums, it's just that for specific scenes, especially for this where it's a more leisure trip, I would definitely shoot film because of the feeling it gives me when I look back at the pictures. It feels like this trip happened years ago. Sometimes it's not about getting the best composition or the best image, it's about what it makes you feel. It's about what the image makes you feel in the end, and that's what makes a good photo. For me at least. Yo, what's up guys, just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, consider subscribing or liking this video or dropping a comment. It really helps out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting so far. I do love shooting digital, but at times I do love shooting film at the same time, and moving forward I do want to produce a lot more film related content. So if that's something that you're interested, or if you have a topic that you would like me to make a video about, please do let me know. I'm open to suggestions, and I would love to do things that people like to see as well. Drop a comment, drop me an Instagram message, or drop me an email, anything works. So yeah, just thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.